every yeah. I build a bot. It could helpful for everyone to easy to understand the SEEPs, how they can trade, because whatever you are seeing this SEEP and flow channel, right? It will give all real time data, whatever market is going. Anybody buying a call or selling a call, or buying a put or selling a put, all information you can see. This particular channel, you can see the charts or PDF files or current economy conditions, whatever. This all we are getting from paid. We are automated on this will very helpful if you really following a flow or trading a flow. It was really very helpful. Okay, same time you see, right now you take example for this one. Okay, let me open a notepad. I will explain better.
Okay.
Hey, paper no నీ పాటికి లేదు.
Okay, if you don't talk, can please go for the mute. Okay, let me. Once again, I'm opening my notepad. Is not working. Let me check. Okay, yeah. For example, you saw this SEEP at 2 p.m. Okay, somebody knows how to read this SEEP. This is a bullish bet. You see, first number is indicating they bought 486 contract NVIDIA. Jan 26 means is I think if there is a no date, it is a mid of the month. Okay, my calendar, if mid of the month is for January is expiry on January 16th. Okay, they put Jan 2026 means is mid of the month. Sometimes you can see they will specify exact date Jan 23 or Jan 30th or Jan 9th or Jan 2. You can see the SEEPs. Okay, the first one is how many contract they bought NVIDIA. If you don't see any date, it simply says February 26 or March 26 or January 26, like that. That should be a mid of the month. This case, they bought 486 contract on January 16th, 200 call. They paid for $2.45. You see, after that call, they paid for $2.45, and it was came multiple. If you see it's a single sweep or multiple teams or many people are buying, whenever you executing the trade, right, it won't execute as a single trade. They will buy a bulk, it will execute. That the reason it came as a multiple sweeps. And time, what is the IV on it, and you see what is the bid and ask range also they will give. They bought it for 4.5. Bid is asking 2.44. They paid for 2.5. That means they asked 2.5. Okay, if you see it display for the volume also, how much volume was traded on this particular 200 call was 29k. Okay, you see the premium amount was they paid 119k was they paid on the NVIDIA. The first one is how many contract NVIDIA. If there is a no date, it was mid of Jan 200 call. They paid $2.45, and you can see the bid and ask price also. Okay, if you go take another example, same NVIDIA. I'm going here for filtering this thing. Okay, you take this two NVIDIA calls. Okay, take this two NVIDIA calls. Go back. I'll put it into the notepad. Okay, these two NVIDIA calls. Okay, this is a bullish SEEP. Okay, sometimes they will specify how many contract they bought and what bid and ask was executed. Sometimes we get it, sometimes we don't get. We'll get flat like this. You can clearly say it's a NVIDIA bullish SEEP on December 26. Okay, they bought on December 26, 192.5 call. They paid for the 50K. When they paid 50K, it's a multiple. You can see it's a multiple SEEPs, same kind of SEEPs. Okay, WJS guy is who is sending this data. Okay, Leobot, this thing who is providing a data. That's a sweeps guy. Okay, sweeps guy is some of the providers. They are providing the data. That the reason it came sweeps. He Leobot that one. You followed by the stock is a bullish or bearish. It will come. I'm talking about right now. It's a bullish. We'll discuss on bearish also. Okay, Nvidia bullish December 26. The current they bought it as 192.5 call. They paid for the 50K. You see here is a dollar 50K. They paid for $50,000 bet. Okay, multiple SEEPs. When they bought it is you can see Nvidia equal price. When Nvidia was trading 198 level, they bought for 192 call. Okay, and below also same thing, Nvidia bullish. See, sometimes we see here Jan 26. Sometimes they directly specify to Jan 16th. Jan 16th, same 200 call. Okay. Previously we discussed, right? There is a multiple SEEPs was happened. This particular call. Right now you also seeing here Jan 16th, 200 call. They paid for 489 K. Multiple seems same thing. When they bought it is Nvidia was trading at 89.01. They paid for 400K. They bought for 200 calls. Whenever you're seeing the bullish sheeps, you can go and check how much volume was traded, or is a buy or sell. Webbull, we can see an option. Webbull, if you go select any particular call, there's a single option. If you click, it will show how the trade was exactly executed. Okay, it's a 200 strike. They paid for 489K. Whenever Nvidia was trading 8099.01, like that. This is whatever you seeing this filtered data, right? This data is available into the sweeps and flow. This sweeps and flow have all data. I just filtered for index, spy, and KQQ. Okay. Why I filtered index, right? Most of times many people play for zero DT. Okay, that's the reason I filtered. Okay, you. Okay, if you don't talk, if you please go on mute. Okay. Uh, Whatever all the most of all data is available sweeps and flow. This you are seeing index sweep data, semiconductor sweep data, bank sweep data. I filtered it. That this all three data is available here. I'm filtering and displaying into the other channels. Somebody easy to track. If you want, I can filter sector wise. Somebody holding a stock, they want to see the flow. That also upcoming thing. I can make enhancement. We can do on it. Okay. For if you take for index flow, right? You take index flow. This talk about for this bullish thing. If you go to KQQ, okay. KQQ was at the close. The three SEEPs was came. Okay. You see, this was one thing was expiring on tomorrow. KQQ bullish. They bought for December 24th. 622 call. They paid for 100K. What time they bought it? They bought it at when was KQQ was trading at 621.95. That is the current price level. They bought for tomorrow expiry calls. Most of times the index should be is a more volatile, right? They will buy right now after within a 15 minutes price was moved, they will close the trade also. But we cannot trust it. But some intraday is a continuous sweeps, we can test it. Okay, this thing also expiring today. It came last time. They paid for 12K Lotto. Maybe they're trading last 15 minutes. Okay. And other thing was somebody playing spy calls. It expiring on December 26 on Friday. Okay. This see the December 26. The current strike price was 690 call. They paid 54K. Whenever they paid 54K, when the SPY was trading 6 87 687.6 sorry 687.795 level 75 cents. That time they bought a call for 590 call expiry today. Okay, you can track your all index SIPs. If you trade intraday, you can watch buy and QQQ, or for example, see, I don't know what is the price was when today. See, they bought a call for 687. Okay, that time SPY was trading at 686.58. They're buying 0 DT calls. Okay, you see December 23rd is the same day expiry. And take about for this one also I posted into the our donor discussion. If you see the IWM call Jan 2nd, they bought for 257.5 call. They paid for 96K bet. When they bought it at go up, they will buy calls. Market, they will go, they buy puts also. Trading a index should be very risk. If you watch a price action, you can follow these sweeps and easily you can trade. Other than that, your I don't want to do 0 DT and other stuff, right? You just follow sweeps and flow. It contain all whatever data we are getting, like Nvidia or any stocks, right? Entire stock market sweeps you will get. Okay, you can see any long sweeps you're looking, XLK or KQQ or IWM or whatever, right? Any stock you can.
Samir, did you call for me?
Okay, if you don't mind, can you please go mute? Okay, you can track.
Vijay, you are unmuted.
Vijay, can you unmute yourself?
Yes. Yeah, you can watch all the sweeps here. These sweeps are continuously going. Okay, you like to trade Netflix or you like to trade Target. Okay, you take about for this Target, right? Target, they bought a call on this week expiry. They paid 150K. Okay, when Target was trading 94, 96 level, they bought in the money call. They paid. Target going to push. Okay, you want to track. Okay, this continuous flow is coming. Okay, I don't want to I don't have a time. Okay, I like to trade only for particular stocks, whatever I like. Okay, that's the reason we build the bot. I built it the bot. Okay, you want to see any flow, like, okay, you want to see any flow, just type today. Okay, just type today and put a stock name, for example TSM. Okay, I like to trade I always trade TSM. Okay, if there is any sweeps, it will share the today sweeps, whatever the current date, today market, whatever, right? You're checking 2 o'clock. Okay, market was start at 8:30. Until 2 o'clock, there is any sweeps, it will share. Okay, for example, if you take Nvidia. Okay, today Nvidia. See it printing. It printing what are the sweeps was came today. It will print. Okay, it giving complete data what are the sweeps was came, because we are asking at 7. After market close, we are asking. It will give all the trade what are the sweeps was came. If you really want to trade only a particular stock, you are following only particular sector. I want to trade or I want to do a swing trade. Those stocks, you can always use command today. That means it will give you today. Okay, I don't want. Okay, don't type anything now. I will give examples. Okay, it's already still printing the Nvidia, because Nvidia came lot of sweeps. If you go and check Nvidia chart, Nvidia was almost $7 up today, because lot of sweeps was came in trading. Okay, I want to see the future data of Nvidia. Okay, just type SEEP Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia. If you give SEEP Nvidia, it give complete picture for all the data. What are the data is coming? Okay, I was printing limited trades here. I will add this one to print more thing, but this also it will give many trade. For example, if you go and check Let me check UPS, because UPS we don't get many sweeps. WPS sweeps UPS. See, if EPS was less trade, you can see the 18th data also, 19th data also, and 22nd data also. Okay, whatever you see, right? I just filtered and saved it. This means is you take about for it was there is no data today. Some data was came on UPS. What they did, right? Around 11:08, they bought a call at 110 strike. Is expiry on Jan 16th. They paid 40K. When they paid 40K is the current price level is 101. Whenever it's a 101, they paid for 40K. They bought a 110 call. Okay, like that. You want to check any particular SEEP used for today. Otherwise, you can use the help command to see whatever I'm building a new features. Always it helpful for the comments. Okay, I put all comments here. How you can check other stuff. Okay, now I newly introduced the command. You want to see end of day. Okay, I don't want. Okay, I want to see just top 10 bets what is happening. For example, you asking 12 p.m. what is top 10. Okay, I'm asking after market hours. I'm just build it. You just type yes. Okay, it will analyze, it will check, it will give the top calls and top puts. Whatever top puts was traded 10 puts, and I made a logic, right? You don't want to see already traded SEEPs. For example, NVIDIA already is 190. Okay, if I ask for top puts, top calls, NVIDIA somebody buying a 185 call because stock already traded on 190. Okay, I don't want to do. Okay, I am always thinking how it could be helpful, right? Previously, right, the same thing. How after that, how I improved it. I'll show you one example. Okay, I was checking here. Let's go back. Okay, first when I was build, right, I was preparing thing. Okay, you see, this is what first I build it. You see here, this I asked for top 5 bits. It printed for NVIDIA 185 call. They paid for 370K. It expiring on. Don't do anything, please. Now don't chat here, because I'm giving an example. After that, you can chat with bot. Okay. See, first initially I build it. Initially I build it. It was printed NVIDIA top 5 bet as a 370K at 375. But if you see the stock price, right, it's already 189 level. Okay, that means this was came earlier. Stock price already went up. What I did, right, after that I realized we give a future bets. What are the top 5 future bets for the swing trade? Okay, if you go right now, you see, right, now it giving a current price level. It's a future bet. Okay, if you see, right, they paid for they paid for 221K. They paid 670 call. But what is the current price was Meta was trading? Meta was trading was 2664. That means still there's a potential go to upside. Same thing. Same thing. If you take a board for this one, right? SPY they bought for, just I explained 190 call, right? When what price they bought, this is the current price, and Intel. Like that, I filtered top 10 calls and puts. This one you can ask 2 o'clock or 1 p.m. or once the market started 2 hours. It will list out whatever the SEEPs, what are the SEEPs are available. Okay. Other than that, you already checking charts, or always we receive many hedge funds data. Okay, many people don't have time to read the particular stock or hedge fund data. I added a command. Okay, if you type files here, okay, it will display all the files for the 1 week. What are the files was came? Okay, what are the files was is came? Okay, really, you are holding any stock? I want to see what is analyst was telling about. What analyst was telling about that stock. Okay, if you just type files, it will display all the PDF files. Okay, Okay, I want to download only for that particular PDF file. Okay, just type DL. Okay, no need to copy and paste entire thing. Okay, just copy and paste small name on that file name. If you click, it will search. It will search and give the download format. Okay, I don't have time to download. I'm traveling. We were traveling on the train or going office. I want just read the summary. Okay, just copy the summary command. Okay, copy this GS thing. What is giving the information? Just paste copy and summary. It will give the short summary. You can read it. Okay, on the go. Okay, this I'm trying to build this bot like a natural language, and giving the comments also to very useful. You don't have time and other stuff. Really, you want to download any PDFs, you can download. If you ask for the file history, it can share for the file history for the 1 month. If you ask for the files, it will see. Okay, first thing, you asked about files. Files always I prefer to give for the 1 week. I don't want to look what they said for the last week. Okay, these files will give for the 1 week what current market condition. The 1 week market condition is not going to change. Okay, I'll give whatever things. Okay, you want to download, just use for the DL and put the file name. You can download it. Okay, I don't want to download. I want to see just summary. You can give summary, just copy and paste 3 letters or 4 letters, whatever the file name is there, just copy and paste. It will show the summary detail. You want to see, I want to go through whatever told, I want to looking for Tesla stock, I was holding Nvidia or any other stock, what analyst was telling. If you give a complete file history, it will give all the data whenever the files are came, what date came, what are the files are available. You can download or you can put a summary command. You can view all summary details. Okay. Other than that, we are tracking for black trade also. I'm going to build more futures on black trade also. This black trade, many trades are coming. I think many people are holding the stocks for long-term account. You want to see the trend, how it is going. They're buying or selling. Okay. If you type any stock name, BT is a block trade. For example, we see the target with some SEEPs or came target. If you type BT target, it will give a target. What is the came? You can see the date, traded price, how much volume they bought it. They bought 1.9 million and they paid for 180 million. Bit means they are selling on it. Okay. This U1K means unknown because the trader did not provide, they bought or sold. Okay. Sometimes it will come ask also. Okay. For example, let me check any trade on the ask. See, take a board for this ACI. It came for ask. Okay. Go back. BT ACI. If type BT ACI, see this stock was today somebody at 17.21. They bought 1.5 million. They paid for 25 million shares at ask. Ask means they are buying. Bit means they are selling. UNK means unknown. The provider did not provide their buying or selling. We don't have any data. Okay, we don't have any data. Other than that, we have many commands here. I added for many commands. For example, you want to look any particular hedge funds data. Okay, HF means hedge funds. Okay, you ask about hedge funds Tesla. Okay, you ask about hedge funds Tesla. Let's see what it will give. Okay. How I designed, right? Hedge fund, if you type Tesla, it will read all PDF files. Whatever hedge funds was provided, it will give a short summary. Okay, whatever, right? This GS Outlook 2026, they add some comments about for Tesla. Okay, really, you're holding a Tesla stock. I want to see what is the outlook. You use the previous commands I told, right? I want to see the particular file summary, or I want to download about particular stock. Okay, I added for overall sentiment also. What is this sentiment analyst will be saved? because most of market movers is hedge funds like Goldman Sachs or Bank of America, JP Morgan or Wells Fargo or many banks or many hedge funds. They only market movers. They buy large quantity of stocks. They push and up and down other stuff. They will give a sentiment. They will give a sentiment. This what, right? Our bot, it will read complete document. It will understand. It will give a overall sentiment is a neutral or bad. Okay, let me check on Nvidia HF Nvidia. Let's see what is coming on Nvidia. Okay. See, all NVIDIA related, it giving the summary. It's not giving the summary. It giving the file name also. When was this? If you see right in the top, there is a file name. You want to look the particular file name, you can see, and file name also here. It says overall sentiment is a bullish. Okay, there is no bearish, right? How it determined is bearish, right? Whatever the analyst, whatever they quoted into the in the document, they are saying bearish or it can go down or charts. It can read the complete document and analyze. It will share the feedback and it will give the file names also. Okay, for example, something was came on NVIDIA. Let me check any document. Okay, this document was some NVIDIA information was came the perform the last year award was performed all the informations, and here also all the thing was came. If you want to look any file summary, you can ask file summary. It will give the file summary. For example, type summary here. Okay, let go on check this GS Peter what is saying for 2026 outlook. If you type right, it will give the complete summary. Whatever the PDF is available information. Okay, I want to read the PDF information. You use the DL command and download PDF and useful. Okay, let type help. We can discuss other commands. Okay, other than that, I build for you can ask for question also. You were asking about question like how is market 2026. Okay, you just asking is a normal language, but you put a command in before question. What it will do, right? You asked about how is market 2026. Whatever the PDF files available we have, what analyst was they told, it will read the complete documents. It will give, okay, it will say how many documents was found, what paragraphs what found. It will share the images also. It will set, sometimes will get image data also. It will read and it will give the short description. You want to same thing, you want to view particular view and other stuff, you go and check the particular, download the file, or you can save whatever you like, you can do. Okay, sometimes you want to see links on raw messages, you can scan. Okay, and if you ask for summary, what is the overall today summary, how many sweeps are came, right? If you type summary, right, it will give a summary how many sweeps are came for today. It came 1650 sweeps. Black trade it was came was thing, it was giving for total files and links. It will tell the sentiment is bullish or bearish, and it will list out how many. I just list out for top symbols, how many symbols, how many SIPs are came. It will show all the details. Okay. Other than that, you can use all the SIPs and hedge funds. Okay. Other than that, you are checking your SIPs. For example, you saw the NVIDIA SIPs are coming today. Okay, you typed NVIDIA. You want to check NVIDIA charts on 5 minutes. Okay, just type CD5 NVIDIA. Okay, CD means chart. Okay, chart 5 minutes. Okay, if you type NVIDIA, it will pull the real-time chart. It will see. Okay, see, NVIDIA market was open today around today 23rd, right? It was 183 level, 183 to it went for 189. It was going up. You see, market was open around it was came down, and 183 level it started. Okay, 183 to it went to 189, almost $6 or $5 it was up. Okay, you check why it was moved up. You can see today Nvidia came all bullish sheeps. Okay, they are continuously buying calls. Stock was keep on going up. See, it was okay. I'll tell you when was exactly started. Nvidia was rally. Let's see. Okay, you can see the time wise. What is the time was trade was came. Let's see when was first sheep was started.
Vijay, would you know if the same way if sell sweeps are happening too?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
It will filter everything. If you give today, it will give. See, green means bullish, red means
Thank you.
bearish. Red means bearish. Okay, you take about for Nvidia at 10:23:48. Stock was trading at 184.84 level. They December 26 this week's expiry they bought 185 call. Okay, immediately 185 level they bought again 185 call. Okay, Nvidia was trading on 180 185.10. They bought 190 call. What happened after that? Stock was rallied for $4. Think about this. 180 call maybe 100% profit. They just paid for 27K. Small lotto. They paid small lotto. It could be 100%. Okay. Again, you see Nvidia 185 trading. They bought 190 call. They paid for 36K. That means after they bought also, stock was rallied $3. These guys of Chiefs guys, right? They don't wait for 100%, 200%. Okay, they put a big money or 50K, 50K. They make 20 to 30%. Okay, that is what, right? Everybody investing into the market will wait for 1 year. Market can return 12% or 15% at the max. Okay, sometimes market average, if you see the entire stock market is 11%. Those guys will put a 30 to 36K. It will rally. They will take money easily, quickly, 50% or 30% or 60% or 80%. They will come out of the easily trade. Okay.
You can put it yourself.
Okay. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer.
When do we know that the action is closed?
No, that we cannot determine, right? This is just market live data. You need to know. It cannot. These sweeps also we cannot determine. It can really go up. You were seeing sweep. Some bad news was came. It can fall down also. Okay, this will give a confident. You can take a trade. Okay, but it cannot give a 100% confident. You can when you need to exit or when you need to buy, when you need to sell. Okay, based on the sweeps, we can understand the trend. You can see the charts how overall market was going on it. You can use it. Okay. Other than that, I can share few commands we build. Right, if you CD type Nvidia, it will print daily chart about for Nvidia. It will give the support level and resistance also. It will share what is the current price it can target, how much it can move. Okay, if you type CDP and Nvidia, there is any chart patterns, it will give the chart patterns. Okay, CD it will give a daily chart. CDP is a chart patterns. It can give any patterns if analyzed. Okay, these all are automated. I'm not drawing anything. Whatever AI was generating those charts, I'm pulling and showing here. Okay, whatever the support and resistance also, I'm not drawing any lines or whatever this information, right? This is providing by the Yahoo Finance. I'm pulling the detail from the Yahoo thing, and I'll do some analyze based on that. Wherever the candlesticks, right? Wherever the candlesticks was holded, you see this is the exact support 164. Find it was bounced back, and wherever is holded, see the resistance is one time is went came down, again it was went came down, that was it added as a resistance for 195.62. It will analyze. Okay, like that you can see the charts 15 minutes or 4 hours, 2 hours. You can see the charts, and same way you can see the charts for CDP. Any patterns are available. What are the patterns it available? It can display the patterns also, inverse head and shoulder or bullish how much confidence level, what is the price target it can go up. All of the things it can easily give. Okay, quick look. You can look SEEPs, or you can check the charts, or you can view the PDF files. It will more helpful. If you want to build anything, add into the bot, or you are looking for any specific data, or you are looking for any specific query, feel free to share the questions to me. How exactly day-to-day life I want to use this bot, whatever data we are getting, how I can utilize this data. I'm holding a stock, or I want to see the technical level, what are the SEEPs was came, how is sentiment overall. I'm happy to do all enhancement to update. Okay, somebody
You
asked
have
for
to play.
today.
Take off the
Some
jacket and go and play.
Okay, yeah, if you don't mind. Yep, mute.
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి పెట్టు, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి పెట్టు.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think one of the friend was in our group. They asked for SPX, right? I added for SPX. If you type CD SPX, okay, build the chart quickly for SPX. I'm sharing it. Okay, it gives the support and resistance level. If you want to look for 5 minutes chart CD5 SPX, it can give 5px. Like that, whatever available data here, how you want to view the reports, or what kind of thing it could be useful, just tag me. I will add all enhancement. I'll share the details. Okay, let me know if you have any question I can answer.
Vijay, how live or how lagged the data is?
Say again.
How lagged the data is?
Lag? No.
Yeah.
Your voice was cutting off.
Sorry, how lag is the data? Is it like...
No, it's a live data. There is no log.
Okay, there is no lag. And if we see the sweeps which are coming as a mixed sweep, bullish
Okay.
and bearish,
Yeah.
is there any best practice that you see? Okay, if it's X amount, that is a good trend to take.
No, I always tell the sweeps are is each individual. We cannot give a financial advice to take a trade. If you want to if you want to filter for bullish sweeps, I can do it. But if you see the amount, right? If there is a continuous, if you take for Nvidia, right? We are talking on Nvidia. If you go Nvidia, right? There is a continuous sweeps are coming. Stocks also going up. Such a case, we can take a trade. We can do it, because whenever stock was trading this level, they are buying for 190. Such a means they are betting for still stock can go upside. That will give a confidence.
Right.
They're not buying in the money call. You take about this 27K trade. This guy betted at 130. If I definitely see this trade, I'll took a trade, because it's a cheap. They're buying cheap lotto, $5 upside. Okay, nothing to you lose. If you buy it may be a, because only we have 2 days time. It may be a 20 cents or 50 cents. You could easily trade. They're betting on it. It's 185 to it went for 189. You think about those lotos, maybe 150-200% profit.
So it's more like consider it like a day trade if we want to do it, and it's 15-20% up. That's it.
Yeah. You can take a profit, but if you want to do any swing trade, we have swing trade sweeps also. They're buying January 9th. You see 400K they paid it.
Correct.
Okay, they paid at 188.01. Still, they are betting upside for Jan 9th for 192. 192 can go tomorrow also. 192
Correct.
can go Friday also, or go next week also, because they are betting big 410. If I see this kind of trade, definitely I will try. Because charts are also picking up, and this it was bottom, right? Charts also picking up. It can go upside. Okay, let me see Nvidia stock chart. Okay, go filter classic. Okay, type Nvidia. Okay, add some EMIs. Okay, just add 20. Okay, 50, 200. Always I do this full statistics. Okay, just click update.
Instead of 200, it went to 20. The same
Okay,
as
20.
the
Okay, updated. Sorry. Yeah. You see, it came to bottom to 169 level. After that, it was consolidating. It was down, and see, STO was picking up. MACD was picking up. It moved above 50 EMA. Okay, whenever right 50 moving is a big resistance, it cross over. That's the reason they're betting for 192 call. There's high chance it can go and test 195, or it can test again 200 level. 195 is a resistance. It can test those level to push on it. Okay, that will give a confident. If a bottom RSI was down, it picking up. RSI was above 50, always bullish. See, most of times, whenever stock was down, RSI was raising, there's high chance to go up. Based on that, you can see the sweeps. There's any future bids are coming. You don't want to go and put all your money. At least you are going everyday office. Okay, I don't want to do day trades. Okay, I'm happy to buy a 55 days trade. Okay, you check if there is any sweeps or 55 days trade. There is a good bet. You seeing there is a potential chart was turning up. Okay, all the informations bot can give. You can decide and take the trade on yourself.
Makes
Okay.
sense.
I can also give the trades, or if you want to ask charts or anybody, most of the time they will tag me. I never delay to response. Most of times I'll respond immediately till it, because right, they are holding a position or they want to close or whatever. I get a lot of personal DM also. Everybody I'm answering, I'm posting a charts, how it go, what is resistance, what you're looking, and other stuff. This whatever we are getting, all financial market live data we automated. You can useful charts, patterns, data, PDF files, market condition, everything is there. Okay, I'm going to do a lot of enhancements on this financial bot. It can give. Okay, we have a trading view. I'm still working on some intraday, how we can give alerts. Okay, I have already I have a scripts is there. Okay, I'll share you. Okay, I have already scripts is there. I shared the scripts already into the our group also. Okay, I don't know if really you're using or not. I can share the scripts if you need it again.
Yeah, please share that, Vijay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, let me go back. See, I added the script for it can give buy and sell. Okay, it can add a buy and sell. It can give a trend exactly. Okay, I'm planning to build a chart like, okay, whenever it's a buy alert is coming, just to post a chart. For example, you take Nvidia today. We look for Nvidia as a good example. Okay, what time buy was started? Okay, you see today once the market is open 8:30. Okay, it started buy alert as you see the buy symbol. It started buy until 184 to 188 $4. There is no sell side. Is what complete uptrend. You are seeing sweeps is also pushing. Buy alert came. It completely was running. Okay, if you see short term, right, this buy and sell always trigger depend upon the thing, but
This is intraday, right? Like
this is intraday. If you want to check daily, exactly where buy was started, did you see 174 level? This was bottom was happened 169. After uptrend was started, buy was traded. You see here exactly 184 was sell was started. It came down. See here this buy thing 205. Okay, it came to 178, almost $25. There is no buy signal. Okay, intermediate there's a big volume was came. It was changed to buy. After that it was coming down. Same time charts are going right. The buy and signal was coming. You can ask to bot. It can give what kind of chart patterns, or it really trend changed or not. You can easily look. I can share this
If
script
we are
also.
looking at intraday, Vijay, then that means that is specifically for day trading, right?
Yeah, that is specific for the day trade, right? If you want to see the you want to do the swing, right? If you go daily time frame, already buy alert was came.
Right.
At 174 level, buy was came. Now stock was almost 189. It moved $15 upside.
So do we already have this, or are you working on this?
No. This already I have a script I shared many times. If you want, I can share it. What I'm right, I'm trying to build this. This charts also implying to integrate with our bot. If you
That would be
ask,
great.
yeah, if you it can give, but they are not providing a trading view. There is no any APIs like
Hmm.
that. I can pull the charts. I am whatever the script I have, right? I'm planning to apply those scripts to Yahoo chart and based on the price action or market moving indicators. Based on that, it can determine give a labels like buy and sell. That is, I'm working on it. That should be a very difficult thing. I'm still need to figure out how we can add the labels to this should be pin script. Pin script is supporting by the trading view, okay, but not Yahoo. I need to check if this Yahoo is supporting or not. That is the plan I'm building. Okay, daily chart, if you're looking weekly, it can clearly say buy or sell. See here,
Vijay,
right?
question.
Go ahead. Yep.
So these signals, buy and sell signals, are they happening at candle open or candle close?
It open when trend change. If you go to 5 minutes, right, it will open trend change. Whenever the trend was started, it will open. Depend how it calculate, right? It will calculate depend upon the volume, how much volume was coming. It will see the momentum thing. Really, price momentum was going up. Based on that, it will determine the label. You see here, sell signal was came. What is 184, right? It was dropped $1.5 continuous red candles all 5 minutes, right? If you see 5 minutes time frame, for all 5 minutes is a red candle. Okay, it's a buy was started here. There is no sell until here. There is no sell because still uptrend. It was went 188. After that, it came sell, few sell. It was going up. This will give a just indication. But if you see the real charts, price action or sweeps, that will helpful. For example, you enter a position here. It buy was came, sell was coming here, but I don't want I want to exit or not. Okay, for example, you not buying a 0 DT, you bought January 9th call. Okay, you see the buy signal, you bought at 185 call, stock was moved 188. Okay, you saw the sell. I want to take a profit or not, you cannot determine, but future sweeps can tell. Okay, stock can go up or not. We saw the Nvidia future sweeps, they are betting for Jan 9th 192 call or 195 call. That means still sweepers are active, they are buying upside calls on Nvidia. There is a possible to push upside. Okay,
So can you show how to use that script in the trading view?
trading view. Okay, go here, you see the panel. Okay, why is there disabled here? Okay, usually here a pin script editor is there. Okay, let me check this one. Not this one. I'll find out. Okay, there's a pin script editor is there. Now editor is now I'm not able to see editor here. Your editor will be there. You just
It's
copy
on
and
the
paste
right
the
side. Mountain kind of thing. Yeah. The right one. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, see here. Yeah, this is the script. Let me post into the this is the script I built it. Let me share into the our Discord group. Yeah,
the buy and sell signal.
Say again.
So this buy and sell icons, whatever you say, this are these dynamically generated the way you are saying it